Hey guys, so today I'm going to be telling you about my project, and that is on the chemistry of chocolate covered strawberries. So, something a little bit different about my project than most other projects is I had to take the components of two different products and combine them together. So, I took the chemistry of chocolate and the chemistry of strawberries itself and combined them together. So, as far as chocolate covered strawberries, they're probably one of the most world-renowned desserts probably in the world. You could find them anywhere. Many people make them just to make them, especially for that special someone. So they're pretty a well-known dessert. Um, I personally like making chocolate covered strawberries. Actually, really enjoy making them. They're one of my favorite desserts and something that always carries my sweet. So, as far as the composition of chocolate covered strawberries go, with the final product, you take the components of strawberries, which are potassium, calcium, arginine, and arbutin, and we also take the components of chocolate, which are cocoa, butter, sugar, and milk powder. And with chocolate, you combine those ingredients together. And then we combine the components from both products and make that final product. As far as chocolate goes, the chemical formula for that is C7H8N4O2, and the chemical formula for strawberries is C12H14O3. For strawberries, they are chemically known as, and pardon me, I cannot say this word that great, but they're known as ethyl methylphenyl glyphosate, and the product equation for these elements use carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, as well as nitrogen. Yeah, and that's the general makeup for the fruit. As for chocolate, it's chemically known as theobromine, and the product's equation uses carbon, hydrogen, oxygen as well. So I have a picture right here, and these are the structures. This is a structure for chocolate, and then this is the structure for strawberry. So for strawberries, there are three different structures, and that's for aroma, color, and then the sweetness and ripening. As far as the sweetness and ripening goes, the chemical structure for that, it can vary just depending on how ripe it is. Just because sweeteners, there'll be more sweeteners if it's more ripe versus if it's not ripe enough, it won't be as sweet. So chemistry's role in chocolate covered strawberries. Um, Strawberries are naturally occurring compounds. They happen within nature. You grow them just like many people grow them in gardens. It's not something that can necessarily be chemically made, which I feel like could be somewhat possible. And for chocolate, it is made in factories. It goes through a process of fermentation and then being roasted as well. It becomes a cocoa liqueur and then is turned into cocoa paste and butters. From there, it's when companies use sweeteners to get that perfect taste, which is why we have so many different types of chocolates, such as milk, dark, and white chocolate, and then there's also flavored chocolates as well. Um, Chocolate covered strawberries are a man made product. I think there are some companies that do make them by machines, but for the most part, if you go to any bakery or that special someone makes them for you, they're usually man-made by you personally. And depending on presentation-wise, if you want them absolutely perfect, smooth finish and everything, they sometimes use a level of expertise. There's just a process that goes on where you get that perfect final touch, that smooth finish, and that's how they are made. So chemistry takes place in this process by allowing the chocolate to stick to the strawberry and allowing that whole entire process to flow. Chocolate covered strawberries, like I said, are generally made in bakeries and dessert places. These yummy treats are made almost anywhere. To be exact, though, there are many places around the world that make chocolate covered strawberries. People will eat them. It's just that world renowned dessert that a lot of people can't get over. By taking chocolate discs and melting them, and then taking freshly washed and dried strawberries, you go through this process of making the dessert. You dip the strawberry into the chocolate and let some excess chocolate fall off. You put the chocolate covered strawberry on some tin foil and let that dry. And usually, depending on the chocolate that you use, it dries pretty quickly. Certain chocolates that bakers use allow more time to dry just because of different processes that go on in for this product. So once you do that and you let them dry, they're usually done within maybe 5 minutes after just sitting there. And for a better preference, you could put them in the refrigerator and let them cool so that way they're hardened and just taste a lot better than if they're warm. So the chemistry of my project works because of the science involved and the aphrodisiacs that are portrayed in the products as well. So a fun fact about my project as well is that the chocolate that's used in almost anything, especially for chocolate covered strawberries, it is only one carbohydrate apart from caffeine. So that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for my project on the chemistry of chocolate covered strawberries. It's a long process just because, like I said, there are two different components that you have to put together. When I researched the project, as far as finding the chemistry of chocolate covered strawberries altogether, there wasn't much I could find. All that kept popping up on Google was videos on how to make chocolate covered strawberries, which is kind of self explanatory for most people. So, if you want to find out more information on my project or see a lot of stuff that I have on, especially my resources, please go to the Chemistry is a Life website. And I'm pretty sure that's www.chemistryislife.com. Let me double check real quick. Yeah, that's it. So chemistryislife.com. And all of the information will be on there, all my resources. There are plenty of other resources out there as well. But just some key components, some key points are in my resources that I have. And just feel free to go on and look. And that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned a lot about my project on the chemistry of chocolate covered strawberries. See you guys!